Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. With winter fast approaching, today I thought I would do a long sleeve gravity ice dye, so let's get into it. Because I'm doing a long sleeve t-shirt this time, I've actually decided to just stitch across so that it will hold the sleeves in the correct place. So I've just done that while the t-shirt is dry. For today's video, I just have my pre-made apparatus and a coat hanger. And now I'm just going to wring out my t-shirt before I load it into here. I do have a video on how to make one of these, so check it out. I'll link it in the description below. I've just got my ice here now, so I'm going to load in the colour. Let's go. Here we have the results of the long sleeve shirt. Now the lower half of this I think worked out super well. I did it during the daytime, so the ice melt was pretty reasonable, but unfortunately when I got to the top end it was turning into nighttime, and I honestly should have waited for the next day when it was going to be warm again, because you can see right through the middle here I've got this kind of line, whereas the bottom bit I've got this more beautiful kind of softer gradient. So if I was going to do it again, I would definitely do it when it's warmer, and pretty much since I've done this t-shirt I have decided to hang up the reins for ice dyeing for the year, because it's just too cold and too hard to achieve any good results at the moment. So we'll have to wait until next summer again before we can do anything else. Here is the back of the t-shirt, and again the bottom has quite a nice gradient, but the top just has this really harsh line that I'm not super into. I was definitely aiming for more of a softer result, but I don't hate it at the same time, but I don't love it. This t-shirt as well, it was my first time trying out mixing my own colours. So I actually ended up pre-making the colours with water and then freezing them as ice so that they could work as this kind of melty ice dye kind of look. The bottom colour worked out quite well, but again the top colour didn't go exactly how I planned. Colour matching is definitely an art form, I have realised. So yeah, I'd like to try that again in the future. But I mean, it's not too bad. I definitely like the way that the arms worked out too. I've got an even amount of different colours on there. So yeah, sewing in the shirt was really good. So I'd definitely do that again. But anyway, that is all my thoughts for this shirt. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again in the next one. So as always, thank you for watching, and goodbye.